We are hiring a machinist. Set up and operate CNC, manual, semi-automatic, or automatic machines individually or simultaneously. Work to specified tolerances using accepted methods and practices. Perform inspection and document results as required. Maintain tooling needs to minimize interruption. Occasionally make input suggestions and methods to increase production capabilities, working closely with manufacturing personnel. Perform minor preventative maintenance as required. Work in a team or a standalone operator. Perform other duties as required. Must show the skills to perform efficiently with minimal non-conforming parts. Our client is a strong, stable company looking to hire a machinist as soon as possible. They're located at Ashland, Pennsylvania. Below are the complexity and judgment. The following is the education. Experience and initiative are as follows. Physical demands are stated below. The following are the working conditions. Stated below is the equal opportunity employer. Send your resume to Kendall at stafffinancial.com for immediate consideration.